dream that I just fly away. I've been on my own for a minute. Is it only me?
Hi everyone, I'm Urban Girl and welcome to my channel. Well, that's me. I finally arrived in France and I'm officially on holiday from this afternoon. I was working for a couple of days and now I've got a few days off before I go back to Scotland. I thought you might enjoy just coming for a very casual randonnée along the bank of the river. I'll share some of the sounds of the river as I went along the walk. At the moment, I'm sitting on a very historic bridge which used to cross the river. The bridge was blown up in the Second World War. So there's some factual information on that. I'll put that in next so that you can see it. I'll try and get some pictures of the bridge. Obviously you can't cross it anymore because it was blown up. One of the things that I've noticed on my walk today is this is the lowest I have ever seen this river. Even in the height of summer, I've never ever seen it that low. So it really speaks a lot to the really excessively dry, hot weather, the heat waves that they've been having across Europe, because it's really quite shocking to see the river looking so low, and that has an impact on the ecology of the river, the wildlife, the plants, I mean just everything. So quite worrying to see that. Anyway, I think this will be a good test. I recently had my broadband upgraded, so I'm actually hoping that I will be able to upload content now from France rather than wait until I get back home. So that'll be another good wee test. Well, I'm going to continue on my walk, which really just is walking back on yourself to get back to the house. Thanks again for watching my channel. I really appreciate all your views and comments and all your support. If you're watching and you've not clicked the subscribe button, think about clicking that wee bell and subscribing to my channel for content and updates. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really makes a whole load of difference to people like me that are creating content on YouTube. I'm just an urban girl out having a bit of fun. Bye!